going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Now, if you're new to the world, then you probably haven't heard of fidget toys. Or, you know, let's be honest, everyone in the galaxy probably has. Even the Guardians of the Galaxy. So I have my fair share of fidget spinners. If you don't know what a fidget spinner is, well, this is a fidget spinner. Now they've come out with a variety of them. I have a glow-in-the-dark one. They have some without the bearings. They have different shapes and different sizes, whatever else. But there is also a fidget cube. I have never seen a fidget cube in person. I know some of my friends have one, so I thought it's time to see what the fidget cube is all about. So, fidget cube, good for work, class, home, has 6 sides: click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. So, I did not get anything to cut this little flap. Wonder if I could just be mean to the box and open it without... Nope. Oh, please. Yeah. It's like I'm doing an operation. Okay. Now you open. It's just like, no. Okay. Just right in there. Pull this out. Oh, there's a little booklet in here. This is from Tranium. They are not sponsoring this video, but that's just the company that made this. So, on the back of this, it tells you the 6 sides. There's rub, roll, spin, press, control, switch. So, let's see, open this, pull it out. So, see the top part here, ooh, this has a cool feel to it. So, you can just sit and move this around. It twists and turns and moves around. Let's see, what does it say for that? Control. Need full control. Enjoy this side of the cube. Perfect for pushing, rotating, and omnidirectional movement. You can push it. It's like a button too. And then you have this. I'm entertained by this one side. So this side is the switch. Psh. Not that kind of switch. Erase your stress and fidgeting woes with the flip of a switch. Alright. You know, this cube is bigger than I thought it would be, which is nice. Then we have this side. Spin, spin. What's this side? Spin. Feeling spun out. Rotate the wheel to soothe yourself back into a peaceful frame of mind. Interesting. It's not my favorite side, but interesting. You have this side with nothing. Oh. 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 That is the most amazing feeling ever. Rub. Breathe easy. This side of the cube is inspired by traditional worry stones. Tools used to reduce anxiety when rubbed. Oh my gosh. I think that's my new favorite side. Oh my gosh. Okay, what else do we have? We have this interesting side. This is the roll. Roll yourself to relaxation. The triple gears of Metal Ball provide alternate relaxing feelings of perpetual motion. So you can just sit and move this ball around, or you can play with the gears. Kind of neat 2 hands with this one. Interesting. I think I'd use the ball more. And this last side looks like a dice. Press. Pen clickers rejoice. Enjoy 5 times the clicking relief with this side of the cube. I am in heaven. I like to click pens. In high school, I was the pen clicker. I was. And I tried to do it quietly so I wouldn't annoy people, but you know, that never really worked out. So, that is a fidget cube. I know there are other styles of this as well. I believe there's like a 12-sided one. I don't know what else would be on it, but you know. So, that's cool. This particular fidget cube is from Trainium. Again, not sponsored. That's just where this particular fidget cube came from. I found it on Amazon, so you can find it on Amazon too. I'll put the link down below if you want to look into it. It was really cheap. So, and really it's high quality for how cheap it was. I'm impressed. So, this is a fidget cube. This is a fidget spinner. Now we got both. Now we can do something with both our hands. Just like, can you multitask? Anyways guys, that is a look at the fidget cube that just came. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have a fidget cube or a fidget spinner, let me know by clicking that like button. Let me know in the comments below what side is your favorite. I have a few favorites. I like the rub and these clickers and the switch. Again, not that kind of switch. So, yeah, I don't know. This is exciting. And I like to press this. I like to press this down. That's satisfying. If you are new here, press that subscribe button because why not? And until next time, I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye!